Google Chrome is one of the most widely used browsers in the world, but in 2025, there are plenty of other options like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari that also promise speed, security, and productivity. So what really sets Chrome apart, and how does it compare to the competition? Chrome's biggest strength is speed and performance. It handles heavy web apps, multiple tabs, and online tools smoothly, making it ideal for freelancers, students, and professionals who rely on cloud services. It also has the largest library of extensions, from productivity tools to security add-ons, which gives it flexibility that most other browsers can't match. Microsoft Edge is Chrome's closest competitor since it's built on the same Chromium engine. It often matches Chrome in speed but uses less memory, which can be a game changer for laptops or older devices. Edge also integrates well with Windows and has strong security features, making it a solid choice for everyday browsing. Firefox, on the other hand, is all about privacy and independence. Its built-in tracking protection and open-source nature appeal to users who want more control over their data. While it may lag slightly behind Chrome and Edge in raw speed, Firefox is lighter on system resources and is ideal for privacy-conscious users. Other browsers like Safari or Opera offer unique features. Safari is optimized for Apple devices, and Opera has built-in tools like VPN and ad blocking, but they can't match Chrome's combination of speed, extension options, and cross-platform compatibility. Ultimately, the best browser depends on your priorities. Choose Chrome for speed and versatility, Edge for performance and efficiency, and Firefox for privacy and resource savings. Many users even use more than one browser depending on the task at hand. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tech tips in 2025.